Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality Mohammed Ismail Sahib. He was born on 5th of June in 1896 in Tirunelveli district in Madras Presidency. He received his education from CMS College and Hindu College in Tirunelveli and later from St. Joseph College, Trichy and Madras Christian College. He had established Young Muslim Community Society in Tirunelveli when he was only 14 years old. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from Madras on Muslim League ticket. He spoke on various issues like he participated in the debate on the official language. He was in the favor of choosing Hindustani as an official language. He was of opinion that people should follow their personal laws. So let us see what he had said regarding this particular issue. 23rd of November 1948, quote, "The right of a group or a community of people to follow and adhere to its own personal law is among the fundamental rights, and this provision should really be made among the statutory and justiciable fundamental rights." Now, the right to follow personal law is part of a way of those people who are following such laws. It is part of their religion and part of their culture. If anything is done affecting the personal laws, it will be tantamount to interference with the way of life of those people who have been observing these laws for generations and ages. This secular state which we are trying to create should not do anything to interfere with the way of life and religion of the people. So these were his views on this particular subject. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.